Tiffany Co introduces the bird on a flying tourbillon, inspired by Jean Schlumberger's 1965 bird on a rock brooch. This high watchmaking marvel features a diamond set white and yellow gold birds, a faceted sapphire crystal dome, and a turquoise dial in Tiffany Blue. The 39mm white gold case is adorned with 340 snow set diamonds. Powered by the bespoke Caliber AFT24T01, the manual winding movement offers a 60-hour power reserve. Limited to 25 pieces, this watch exemplifies Tiffany Co's artistry and innovation in horology. The watch is paired with a navy blue alligator strap and an 18K white gold T-buckle set with 49 diamonds.